All right, let's have a look at this question. There is a right circular cylinder shown with radius small r, height small h, and there is one more cylinder which is not shown here that has a volume of 392 times as large as the volume of cylinder shown here. We basically have to find what could be the possible relation between the radius of the big one, that is capital R, height of the big one, that is capital H, in terms of course, small h and small r. Now, the thing is, when we try to calculate the volume of the small one, let's say I'll write small here, it's simply what? Pi r square h, and volume of the big one is pi capital R square times capital H. Now, of course, we can clearly see from the option that bigger radius is some factor of the small radius and bigger height is some factor of the small height. So we can clearly see whatever factor would be there for capital R, that factor would be squared here, and whatever factor of capital H would be there, that factor would be simply multiplied here. So what we have to do in this question is we have to just square the number in the first part of the option, that is this one, and multiply it with this one. So let's say, for example, if I'm looking for option A, it's basically 8 squared times 7, which is clearly not 392. And if you keep on looking like this for several options, we finally understand that this is correct option C. This is 7 squared times 8, which is 49 times 8, which is clearly 392. Follow for more.